ba tan tan zun chỉ ngồi nói còn đấy đấy name list thì cô selection rồi không sekarang tan luôn đấy one question make first có tôm không à nó nghe sảy có thằng cái nào gắn cũng đó ngắm thế này con mày English thần một con năng hắn đấy ai rong là bị sạp nữa nào không thể năng English là bị sạp đấy năng bụng là năng Delhi thôi cô là kinh cùng cái gì đi quán bò rồi bom tụi mình thế gán đi nào đi sao tắm mạo quán bò đây năng quán bò năng Delhi thôi bom bom mình hay English là về thôi là đi lấp lại bật thật cái đó
The pressure cooker is
vậy thì thay một cái tối mà khát bớt nào
Apa dah kau tahu ni? Dah lai bat tentu.
thải cái này mày tao ăn sáng mà hả gái có khát thân lẫn hết đấy đang khát bên này ba cái lông có ba cũng vậy cái bên còn cả bạn như là sắc nó kẹt mong đến nó sẽ bị cái sao
One guy was struggling and constipating in the bathroom, and then another guy was also struggling and waiting for the guy and constipating.
nó kẹt mong ta
The guy came like that. He was struggling hard, and he was controlling his ass and his potty.
tao bắt mình đi mang mấy con nó bắt đầu thứ alo guy meeting sen nào phụ thắn đi vậy hay giờ nó làm gì nó cái ba thôi sao đó thôi bộ
monkey ra
camera chỉnh không lại sẽ quay sẵn khật bằng cố gắng đấy mang lên nè anh đấy tôi tin là cũng mãi mình học một cái sào mãi mình thật là thế tao thì có cùng cái gần tay có mấy lệ cái giỏ này nè tao thì ruộng cái bên nó thần cái nó và English English dùng đi nè năng xin bấm mình có biết ai bộ
monkey ra
sao tao lại luôn
monkey ra
monkey ride đấy thôi nói cái tao kêu monkey ride đấy thôi có khiết nó bị tăng dẫn đấy cùng cào bộ cầm hít vài dẫn à
cùngไป
tôi cóใช่เราก็ลงคนไทยว่ามีแต่ทางไทยเราดูมีแต่
กับมีป้า
เรามีไปเรามองกี้
Few moments later.
อ่ะปุยนั้นก็ไอ้ลักษณะถ่ายเราดีไอ้เนี่ยถ่ายว่ามีละเดี๋ยวนี้อ๋อไม่เคยลงชาดาวตั้งหมายหรอกไม่ใช่ตัวเกมราเตะ
ว่าให้เป็นแล้ว
อ่ะปุยได้มันก็ต่อไปไหนเนี่ย
ว่าให้เป็นแล้ว
ตายละทุเรศนะครับตากิดหัวกับปลายจะสารพัดมั้งสิ
Stop it.
ตายสัตว์ทุเรศ
Get some help.
ตายแล้วจะได้พวกกับป้าเนี่ยนักกูบังเนียนนะ
ไม่ใช่ไม่ใช่ดาวสินี่
ทำสร้างไฟก็เป็นเลยนะ
นั่งถ่ายมาค่ะกิดหัวตายแล้วจะสาวเจ้าก็
จีจีราตา
มาได้ไม่ถ่ายมาได้ถ่ายได้กิดหัวสาวแล้วจ้ะทิงกู
Kau ya?
탱고
Tenggu.
就ถ่ายมาก็ถ่ายมาทิงกูนี่ทิงกูไม่ไม่กล้าไปเพราะกูบอก
พวกกับป้าฉันน่ะน้อยทิ้งกูแพ้
กูไม่ลักชอบนี่โจ้ไม่กล้าไปท่ากิดหัวกล้าไปท่าไม่จังกล้าไปจะสิกล้าไปท่า
กับละ
กับละทิงกูกับละนี่อยู่ฟอกกับปลายฉันทิงกูกับละกับเขาเท่
Okay. War on news.
ดูค่ะ
Okay. Action.
So bad I'm in the car, American Army or the cell like Afghanistan or your shopper of the fly on the cruise on the light telecar. And the telephone, I want to see Washington of the London City of the bombing of the 2024 California. And the Modi Z come here of the Manfur cell. I find a Congress of party and the Modi election committee MP or Mr. Angel Axel Rabbi. Go to Paris, head due to Pavel movies will see another American city hotel. Her and class. The small collides of this planned timing on the COVID-19. At a sing song flying on the Zionist army want to betray you by the Israel army coming Hong Kong. 2024 army was since one of the late campus now the old blades are in here.
That's anime kita.
And one of the girls sort of here and later you down on the first fly and I'm coming here to see you fly all you want to say. I was saying.
1 hour later.
Hello everybody, this is Akshay Riyamai. Please subscribe to his channel, subscribe and click the notification bell down below, and please press that like button too, and please remember to support him, keep watching his videos and be a member of this family, and enjoy this journey together, with Abung Lampuizay, our family. Akshay Riyamai. Riyamai.
Frog clan tu
Frog clan. He's my cousin brother. He's Apita Vitha's brother who has been with us for such a long time.
I'm currently staying in Mumbai. May tong video na una patung de. Ay may rang thang le video na una patung de. Mumbai to Mumbai may te salat ya.
See, he's living in Mumbai, living the life of a king, You all should also be inspired to live like a king, like him, bro.
Ito, asay kong tungtan, kirela ko, tay ka, kangong tungay na may te sa.
Tay ka,
Tay ka. Salty fish.
So he's
Tengklong Ryu. Tay ka. Kirela ko, tay ka, kangong tungay asay.
Saray ni may takam.
Business ay kakano na din. Business ko tay ka, kang na ron na tay na.
he's out there,
Mumbai.
in Mumbai, getting salt fishes, from the sea, he out there doing all that shit, bro. You should be inspired, bro. You all lazy asses, bro. You gotta stand up, do your shit, do your work, do whatever you gotta do, get some fishes, eat the birds, whatever, man. Get your money up, get your life up. You feel me? Like my bro, Akshay Riyamai.
And he is a hard-working man.
He's very hardworking, He's doing this, He's
Even
trying to
now.
help us. He came all the way from Mumbai just to do his work over here, man. Shout out to my brother Akshay Riyamai. Ngampuizay.
Kazal Agrawal, kaya din ko kakain ni Naiden. May sa. Kazal Agrawal sa may heroine.
Yo, so since he's living in Mumbai, he out there with the Bollywood niggas,
Bollywood actress.
Yeah.
Actor.
Bollywood actress. Her name Kajal Agarwal.
Kazal Agrawal.
Maybe he'll try to date her or something. I don't know. There may be a chance.
ถึงกูแท้ไลค์ชะดอก
Like, so,
Like